Give it to me! Give it to me!
The bucket, there's some shoes, and there's some makeup items. Let's open it!
Now she's my one of the favorite doll.
She looks like Mahina. Let's open the shoes first. I wonder what colors are these shoes. It's so golden! Wow! It's so golden! Wow! Let's put the shoes on. You look so stylish!
Yeah. Bring you up. Yeah, come on.
특별했던 나를 왁박이게 한 건 너. 나를 거울 앞에서 세상이게 만들어버린 너. 예전엔 화장도 안 하고 대충 있던 나인데 이젠 어울리는 너.
Tina's opening the box.
Wow, I like this bag.
Let's see what friend is in here. Oh my gosh! What are these? These look so cool. Look at these beautiful earrings. Let's put it on her. Oopsies. Earrings. Ding-a-ling-ding. Whoa, it's so golden. Let's see what's inside.
Akka, it's so cute. I love this dress, Akka. Have it.
It's a dress. It's so black. Oh, and it's so glittery. I love this. I love it. Let's put the dress on her. Now she's ready. Her dress looks so beautiful, and her hair is so golden. Her earrings are so beautiful, and her shoes are so beautiful too. And look at her pretty dress. Whoa! I love this doll. It looks so beautiful. Now she's ready to go to the party. She looks amazing, and she has some yellow nail polish on her. It looks so cute.